know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Introduction to Java Programming Language session. So today I will be discussing about the basic structure of Java programming language and how to write your first program in Java. So let's get started. So what we will be doing today is it's actually how to get an output from your Java program. So let's see how to write the codes. So here you can see this is the dr.java IDE where we will be writing our first code. So let's start. Public class. So what I am writing right now, I'll be explaining you all these. Here the class. Okay, we have written public class. So actually the class is in the context of Java, it creates a template. Okay, so these templates are used to create objects and other data types and methods where you can complete your whole instructions and get an expected output. Okay, so this class actually builds creates or initiates a platform in dr.java. Then in the next line, we're what we are going to write is this class. We are going to give a name to this class. Okay, so let's give it my first code. Okay, so this is going to be your class name, my first code, and there should not be any spaces. Okay, in between your name. You can use underscores but no space. Okay, like this, my first code. So then we're giving a curly which defines the class is created in between these curlies. Okay, then public static void string args, and here we also start open and close a curly. So what actually these thing does is these string args are a parameter of these class. Okay, these are some parameters in public static void main method. This is called the main method while you are going to create your instances. And this void means it's returning a value, returning an expected output. So what you are writing inside these the logic, so it's going to be compiling these and returning you an expected output what you desire. Okay, so uh, and in the beginning you see there are two public, right? Public means these are accessible by any other classes or any other methods created, for instance. Okay, so public means it's reachable to any other programs. So next of all, what we are going to do is uh, let's print a line on the screen, like declare a line, a sentence inside our code, and this will be on the screen. Okay, so let's write system dot out dot print. This is my first code. So what this actually does is system.out.print is a command in Java which gives anything inside these braces is prints these in on the screen as a command. Okay, so if we compile our code, okay, here you see I have seen said earlier that what you write in here public class my first code. So my first code is, oh sorry, we have a mistake. Okay, uh, okay. See, public class, my first code. This was the class name, and here we have the file name already set as my first code. Okay, we are going to save this, and the ID will compile, and you see compilation completed. And if we run the program now, okay, run, and here you see this is my first code. This is my first code on the screen as an output, and this is my first code. Run my first code is the class. So this class is actually right now running, and the what we were expecting as the output was this is my first code, and here we go. This is my first code. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.